Hi, this is Michael Buckoff from BetterTOEFLScores.com. How to use personal examples the right way on TOEFL speaking. Using personal examples is one of the best ways to boost your TOEFL speaking score, but only if you do it right. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to structure a personal example so that it supports your answer, fits the time limit, and sounds natural. Why personal examples matter. TOEFL raters want to hear real, specific support for your ideas. Personal examples help with topic development, explaining your point, coherence, keeping ideas clear and connected, and fluency, your natural speech flow. Part 2, the 1-2-3 formula. Use this easy format to structure your response. 1. State your opinion. I prefer group projects to individual work. 2. Give a quick personal example. Last semester I worked in a biology lab with 2 classmates. 3. Explain how it supports your opinion. We divided the tasks, finished faster, and earned a higher grade. Keep it under 10 seconds for each part. Don't tell your whole life story, just the relevant details. Be careful of these common mistakes. Too vague. One time I did something similar. Too long, spending 30 seconds describing the situation. Off topic. Your story doesn't clearly relate to the question. Make sure your example matters. When? Who? What happened? How does it prove your point? Part 4. Sample speaking task and model answer. The prompt, do you prefer studying alone or with a group? I prefer studying with a group because it helps me stay focused and learn from others. For example, last fall I joined a study group for my chemistry class. We met twice a week to review material together. One of my classmates explained a concept I'd been struggling with, and that really helped me pass the midterm. That's why I think group study is more effective. Now it's your turn. Describe a personal experience that helped you learn an important lesson. Try using the 1-2-3 method and time yourself. Hey, if you want to know how your personal examples sound to a TOEFL rater, I'll tell you. Join my 99-month speaking and writing feedback service at BetterTOEFLScores.com. You'll get personalized correction, scoring, and coaching to help you pass faster. Remember, like the video and subscribe for more content.